If you're interested in qigong, Nei Qi Gong energy practices, you don't have to miss this video. Look here, I'm going to show you some qi demonstrations. This is Master Joe doing a qi emission called fa gong or fa qi, which is perceived by the receiver like a strong electric current, which is even difficult to hold, as you might see on this video. And this is my teacher, Shifu's Joe student, the founder of the Nei Qi Gong system, Shifu Costantino Valente, was doing the same thing now. And now, this is myself, doing a qi emission. Unfortunately, many people talk about energy in a very intellectual way. And even in the Qigong community, these kind of results, they are seen as a scam or something impossible to achieve. The truth of the matter is that if you have a progressive system, step by step, developed seriously, which is based on ancient teachings and on teachers that actually are able to demonstrate what they talk about, this is what's going to happen. The master doing a qi emission, his student doing the same thing, and then later on even myself achieving the same result. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jiaoshi Andrea. I am an instructor of the Nei Qi Gong school created by my teacher Shifu Costantino Valente. I want you to understand something very important. The goal of Nei Qi Gong is not to do a qi demonstration as the ones that I show you. Those are just proof that we're not just talking, like unfortunately many people do in this energy practices world, if we can call it like this. Everything is quite based on theories, light sensations, but with the system that we have, things become and reach a level that it's very hard to imagine in the beginning. But we have to understand that the goal of this practice is not to show off or to achieve some superpowers. Those will be just the consequence of practicing well, diligently, and applying yourself to the process. The goal is much higher. The goal is to evolve as human beings, to know ourselves physically, emotionally, mentally, energetically, deeply, to levels that we cannot even imagine, to expand and explore the possibility of this life. This is the goal of Nei Qi Gong. So if you're interested to find out more, subscribe on the channel and find out more about this practice. There are lots of contents. Just click somewhere around this video.